Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm not just speaking to your ears, I'm reaching out to your soul. Because this isn't just another video. This is a reflection, a mirror showing you both who you are now and the powerful version of yourself you can become. You didn't simply click on this video by accident, it was meant to find you. You're here because deep inside, you know it's time to take control of your life, your emotions, and most importantly, your mind. So let me ask, who is truly in control, you or your mind? Today, I want to hand you the key to inner strength, the key to peace, the key to mastering your emotions, your thoughts, your habits, and your future. Don't just watch this video, feel it. Don't just hear my words, connect with them. This is the video that will help you take command of the most powerful force in the world, your mind. And before we start, let me share something. This video will also improve your English. Because when you dive into real, life-changing topics like this, you don't just gain mental control, you learn the language in a way that stays with you and grows with you. So, get ready to transform both your mindset and your English. Today, I'll share 15 powerful tips to control your mind and your emotions. This is your first step toward real power. Tip 1. Say no to temporary pleasure. If something feels good now but hurts you later, that's not pleasure, that's a trap. We live in a world of instant gratification. You feel sad, you scroll on Instagram. You feel stressed, you eat junk food. You feel lonely, you text someone toxic just to get attention. And yes, it feels good for a moment, but then you feel empty again. You feel guilty, you feel drained. That's the cost of chasing temporary highs. True control begins when you resist the easy choice and choose the right one. For example, it's 11 p.m. You have work or school tomorrow, but a new show tempts you. Your mind says, just one episode. But your higher self whispers, sleep now. Because tomorrow, your decision will either control you or empower you. Ask yourself, what will this give me in 1 hour, 1 day, 1 month? If the answer is pain, walk away. Warriors are built one choice at a time. Tip 2. Use your intelligence, not your impulses. Your brain wasn't given to you just to react, it's for wise responses. Most people don't really think, they just react. They get angry and shout, feel bored and waste time, feel jealous and compare. But intelligence means pausing to observe your feelings and asking, is this emotion helping me or hurting me? Someone insults you, your impulse says, insult them back. But intelligence says, why give away my peace for their poison? Every time you react without thinking, you hand over your power. Remember, your mind is the vehicle, emotions are just passengers. Don't let them drive. Slow down, take a breath, count to 5. Ask, what's the intelligent response here? This one habit can transform your entire life. Tip 3. Control your 5 senses. Your eyes, ears, mouth, nose, and touch, these are gates to your mind. Whatever enters them, enters you. What do you watch? What do you listen to? What do you eat, smell, or touch every day? Many people unconsciously feed their mind with negativity. Violent shows, gossip, toxic content, constant complaints, depressing music, unhealthy food. All of this weakens your mental strength. Picture your mind as a beautiful garden. Your senses are the gates. What are you letting in? If only poison enters, how can the garden bloom? Instead of random scrolling at night, watch one powerful video. Instead of sad songs, choose calming music. Instead of gossip, choose silence or knowledge. This is how you clean your energy. Controlling your senses isn't strictness, it's wisdom. What you allow through your senses becomes your thoughts, and your thoughts become your life. Tip 4. Be selective with your memories. Your past is not a prison, but if you keep revisiting painful memories, you keep reliving pain. Your mind is like a photo album. You choose which pictures to focus on. Many people spend life stuck on dark pages. Failure, heartbreak, rejection. That pain turns into habit. You wake up sad, sleep stressed, live in fear. But why choose darkness? Why not turn to the bright pages? The moments when you helped someone, when you pushed through pain, when you achieved even a small victory. That's strength. That's the memory to hold. Failure isn't your identity. The comeback after failure is. The past can't be changed, but your focus can. You are not your scars. You are the strength that healed from them. Say this: I will stop feeding my pain. I will remember my power. That is real control. Tip 5. Use auto-suggestions wisely. If you don't program your mind, the world will. Think of your mind as a phone and thoughts as apps. Most people let others install their apps. Parents say, "You're not smart." Society says you can't. Social media says you're not enough. And the mind believes. That's how auto-suggestions work. Repeated thoughts become beliefs, and beliefs become your life. If you keep saying, "I'm unlucky, I'm not good enough, I always fail," your mind will accept it. But here's the power. You can create your own suggestions every day. Say them, write them, believe them. For example, I am calm in chaos. I control my mind. I am stronger every day. I can handle my emotions with peace. Speak them in the mirror each morning. It might feel strange, but your brain listens. Repeat until it believes. Repetition creates belief. Tip 6. Understand your emotions. Don't fight them, understand them. Many people think control means ignoring emotions. I shouldn't be sad. I shouldn't be angry. I should always be happy. That's not control. That's suppression. And suppression explodes later. Emotions are not enemies. They are messages. Anger signals unfairness. Fear signals the need for preparation. Sadness asks for healing. Jealousy shows desire. Guilt points to values. Instead of hating them, ask, "Why are you here? What do you want to tell me?" Someone disrespects you, you feel angry. Instead of shouting, reflect. Why did this hurt me so deeply? Do I need better boundaries? That's how you grow. Naming your emotions is the first step to taming them. Once you understand them, you gain freedom to choose your response, to move forward, to become your true self. Tip 7. Protect your environment. You can't plant a flower in dirty soil and expect it to grow. Likewise, if you surround yourself with negative people, you can't expect a positive mind. Empowering people lift you up, speak hope, make you feel strong. Negative people complain, gossip, criticize, and spread fear. Even with willpower, constant negativity will seep into you. Slowly, it changes your thinking. Dreams die not because you're weak, but because the soil is toxic. Surround yourself with people who encourage, inspire, and believe in you, even if they're online. Books, videos, mentors, all count. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Tip 8. Focus on one thing at a time. The mind loses control when overloaded. Multitasking feels productive but weakens focus. Doing one thing with full attention is like using a laser, powerful and sharp. Imagine studying while checking your phone, worrying, and multitasking. Hours pass, little is done, and you feel frustrated. Now imagine focusing only on one chapter for an hour, no distractions. You finish with power and clarity. 1 hour of deep focus is worth 5 hours of broken attention. Train your brain with the single task rule. Set a timer, do one thing, then celebrate. Focus creates energy, and energy creates results. Tip 9. Confront negative thoughts. The biggest enemy is not outside you, but the voice inside that whispers, "You can't." Your mind creates thousands of thoughts daily, not all true. Don't believe them all. Challenge them. You're about to give a speech and your mind says, "You'll forget everything." Ask, "Is this 100% true?" No. Have I prepared? Yes. Can I handle a small mistake? Yes. The fear loses its grip. Negative thoughts are like bullies. If you fight back, they shrink. If you stay silent, they grow. Train yourself to question and replace them with strength. I am ready. I can do this. Tip 10. Visualize your goals. If you can see it in your mind, you can live it. Visualization tricks the brain. It believes imagined scenarios as real. Imagine your dream life daily with detail and emotion. You want to speak English fluently? Don't just wish. Visualize yourself confidently speaking, answering interview questions, being applauded on stage. Feel the pride. When your brain accepts it as real, your actions align with that image. That's the power of visualization. Tip 11. Set intentions. Your mind needs direction like a ship needs a captain. Without intention, you drift. With intention, you steer. Start your day with clear statements. I will stay calm today. I will finish this task. I will respond wisely, not emotionally. Intentions are mental compasses that protect focus and guide energy. Where intention goes, energy flows. Tip 12. Build self-discipline. Discipline isn't punishment, it's freedom. It's doing what's right even when you don't feel like it. Your emotions say, stay in bed. Discipline says, get up, we promised ourselves. Every time you choose discipline, you build inner strength. Small wins like waking on time, finishing tasks, and keeping promises teach your mind that you are in control, not comfort. Remember, discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. Tip 13. Practice mindfulness. Most people live distracted, eating while thinking about yesterday, sitting with family while worrying about tomorrow. They're alive, but not present. Mindfulness changes that. It means fully experiencing the now, your breath, your body, your surroundings. When you're mindful, anxiety fades and peace appears. Practice in small ways. Eat without screens. Breathe deeply when stressed. Walk while noticing the world around you. The present moment is your true home. Happiness isn't something to chase, it's found when you stop running. Tip 14. Meditate regularly. If mindfulness is presence, meditation is cleaning your inner world. It's not religion, it's self-care. When you meditate, you calm emotions, clear thoughts, focus energy, and reconnect with your real self. After a bad day, instead of lashing out or drowning in distractions, sit, breathe, and observe. You'll notice your pain without letting it control you. Start small, 2 minutes a day, then increase. Thoughts will come, but keep returning to your breath. Meditation doesn't change life, it changes you. And when you change, life changes. Tip 15. Write your pain, then write your power. Journaling is healing. Writing is like speaking to your soul, safe, honest, without judgment. Each night, write your pain, what hurt, what you hide, what you wish you could say. Then write your power, what you're proud of, what you learned, what step you'll take tomorrow. This turns wounds into wisdom. Example, you felt invisible today. Write it down. Then add, but I'm still here. I'm healing. I didn't give up. That shift is transformation. Writing clears your heart, strengthens your mind, and deepens your soul. And before we close, let me speak to you personally. Life can feel heavy. Sometimes you want to give up. You think no one understands, but I do. And I want you to remember something. Everything will be okay. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but step by step, it will get better. You're not broken. You're becoming. No matter your goal, learning English, healing from the past, finding peace, becoming successful, I believe in you. Even when nobody else does, I do. Because people like you, who keep going even when tired, are the ones who go farthest. So promise yourself, I will not quit. I am enough. My story is not over yet. The best chapters are still ahead. Keep breathing, keep going, keep believing, because you are going to make it.